So here at the old library in the Hayes, currently unused, it's going to be the new centre for Welsh language and Welsh culture, something where people can drop into the city centre and speak Welsh and get immersed in the language.
Yeah, it's fantastic, and this will be a space not just for people to use Welsh, businesses can use it, there'll be a creche here, and it'll be part of the process of, I suppose, normalising the use of Welsh within a city that's been a majority English-speaking city for so many years, but it's a great resource to have at the centre of our capital city.
How much does Cardiff need a resource like this?
Yeah, very much so. I mean, I think it's fair to say that there have been Welsh language centres in the city. You have Clwyd Bach, you have informal centres over in Pontcanna, but there's never been a place like this in the middle of the city where people can come and know they can use Welsh, learn more about Wales and Cardiff as well, all in one building.
The idea here, this is going to be the public space of the gallery. We're planning to put a cafe bar into this space. You're standing where the bar's likely to be. There's a servery over in the corner there where we'll be offering food, and we're going to have a lot of long tables over here, some sofas over there, small long tables over there. So I'm going to break up the room a bit and hopefully get people to use it in different ways. It might be somewhere you want to have a meeting with, or just meet someone for a drink, or just come in, relax, read the paper and have a great cup of coffee. Obviously there's a lot of different part of this project, but we wanted to have a strong public face to the project as well, somewhere that anybody coming off the street can come and enjoy a Welsh language atmosphere in a great building, and also hopefully providing great food and drink for them as well.
Well, for Cardiff University in particular, it's a great opportunity to have a presence in the centre of the city and also have a Welsh language presence. As a university, we're looking to hold language classes here for learners at all kinds of level, and it'll be great for them, of course. They'll go from the classroom to a Welsh language environment and be able to use the language straight away. Another aspect of my interest in particular with this site and this project is the history of the Welsh language in Cardiff in general, because this actual site, in fact, was the site of the first Welsh language Methodist chapel in Cardiff. And the founders of this building as a library as it was were also very much involved in the Welsh language life of Cardiff back in the Victorian era. So at the university also we've developed a course on the history of the Welsh language in Cardiff, so there'll be an opportunity for undergraduate students to come here, learn more, discuss with others, and also give impetus to the various projects and exciting events that will be going on here.
Well, it's fantastic, and as you say, people can do so much in this environment, in this one environment. They can learn so much. It's something the city hasn't had for a while, is it really?
No, I mean, historically the Welsh language in Cardiff has always been a presence, maybe a majority presence back 150 or more years, but since then it's been rather dissipated perhaps. There have been Welsh language centres here and there, and Gordon Road, the Tir Cymru is still there. But the opportunity to have a building like this, which will bring in different partners, offer different experiences to the public, be they Welsh speaking or not. Anyone will be able to come in here and have a Welsh language experience regularly, or for just an afternoon, or for just half an hour. So that kind of opportunity I don't think Cardiff's ever had before.
This is a fantastic building, a great location, and a real opportunity, I think, to create a very special attraction, not just for residents in Cardiff, but actually for visitors to our city, to learn much more about Wales and the culture of our country.
So, cultural language centre for Wales, how much is that needed in the city?
Well, there are already a network of other centres across Wales, and I think as not just a fast-growing city, but also a capital city, that we really want to ensure that we nurture the language. We give a space in Cardiff where young people, old people, all generations can come to learn more about the language, to socialise. We've got a great set of partners here, including Cardiff University, who are looking to do language courses. We've got also the involvement of a Welsh language nursery in the centre. So there's going to be a whole range of facilities here, and a very accessible location that will really bring to life, I think, some of the great work that's already taking place in Cardiff, alongside the Cardiff Story Museum, which is already doing some great work in terms of outreach in the history of Cardiff.
So £400,000 has been spent on this Welsh language centre where people can come and speak the Welsh language right here in Cardiff. The project should be finished and open in October.